acting.
I can't fall in love, it's not an option. I don't wanna fit in, I wanna stand out.
This has been on my vision board for like a year or something. And this GoPro recording right now has water damage, so it's bound to turn off any second. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god. Holy game changer, baby. It's waterproof too. It's over. I don't want to fit in, I want to stand out. Sheesh. Look, it's your older sibling GoPro. Damn, this is sick.
I don't wanna fit in, I wanna stand out.
Okay. Protective lenses may affect image quality. Okay. There's like 2 of these, I guess. I don't wanna fit in, I wanna stand out. Dang. I'm recording something today. This is insane. Oh. It's over. To my village, we're taking things to a whole new level. That's work. The GoPro vlogger, your daughter.
Stop it. I can't fall in love, it's not an option. I don't wanna fit in, I wanna stand out. How you niggas gon' make it, you got the same sound. I'm the best coming up, my nigga, hands down. These niggas ain't coming up, they on the damn ground.
Alright, I gotta put the battery in now. Cheeser, how it's a longer battery than the old GoPros. I have to buy new ones now. It's so annoying. I need a chip. Oh shit. It's so clear. Then we have Asian and European and English language options. I'm an Afrofuturist. GPS captures the location. Should I keep my GPS on so they can creep me and collect data? Yeah, they need some data from some African users. Yeah, the quality just on the screen looks crazy. I have no SD card in here actually. I'm not sure what it's gonna look like on the phone through the app or when I like download the file. I actually don't understand file-wise, transfer-wise, how this shit works. I've heard of like stitching like views together, and that sounds annoying, but I'll have to probably learn if that's the only way to do it. Alright, I'm about to go crazy with this. I'll be back. See you in 360. I'm not sure how the hell this is supposed to be 360. Whatever, I'm just gonna go back down to Launchpad. Alright, wait. We're not done. There's like one button to tap, turns it's 360, tap back, turns into normal GoPro. So there's like this horizon leveler, and then when I go like this, it's like super smooth. Stabilizer, I guess. Lens switch, toggle between the front and back lens. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Yo. Okay, see you 360 now. Oh baby. Let's get out of here.
I don't wanna fit in, I wanna stand out.